CCP is a leading institution that trains HVAC technicians in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia region. Our school, certified by the State Council of Higher Education for Virginia, provides hands-on, up-to-date education that is aligned with the needs of the job market. We have 2 campuses equipped with the latest technology. Maryland, 5 laboratories, 3 exclusively for HVAC. Virginia, 6 laboratories, 3 dedicated to HVAC. Here, students work with real equipment from day one, including gas heating systems, heat pumps, mini-splits, and window air conditioners. They gain hands-on experience in installation, repair, and maintenance, using fully operational tools and systems. For over 20 years, we have partnered with ESCO Institute, which has certified more than 11,500 professionals in the HVAC field. In addition to HVAC, we offer plumbing, electricity, automotive mechanics, and blueprint reading training, providing a comprehensive technical education in English and Spanish. More than 150 companies actively seek our graduates, recognizing their high level of training and experience. We allocate over $100,000 in scholarships each year because we believe in our students' talent and future. CCP, training HVAC professionals for over 30 years.